How did eco-friendly refrigerants replace CFCs? Imagine a world where your refrigerator keeps your food cold without harming the planet. That's what the shift to eco-friendly refrigerants is all about. Let's explore how this change happened step by step. Chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, were once the go-to refrigerants because they were stable and worked well in cooling systems like refrigerators and air conditioners. They transfer heat efficiently by cycling through the system, absorbing heat at low temperatures and releasing it at higher ones. But scientists found a big problem. When CFCs reach the upper atmosphere, ultraviolet light breaks them down, releasing chlorine atoms. These chlorine atoms then destroy ozone molecules, which protect us from harmful ultraviolet rays. The ozone layer thinning means more UV radiation reaches Earth, causing health issues like skin cancer and cataracts, and harming ecosystems. Because of this, international agreements such as the Montreal Protocol were created to stop using CFCs. Countries agreed to phase out these chemicals and find safer alternatives. The first replacements were hydrochlorofluorocarbons, or HCFCs. They were similar to CFCs but had fewer chlorine atoms, so they caused less ozone damage. However, HCFCs still had some ozone-depleting potential and contributed to global warming. So, they were also phased out over time. Next came hydrofluorocarbons, or HFCs. These contain no chlorine at all, so they do not harm the ozone layer. But many HFCs trap a lot of heat in the atmosphere, making them a concern for climate change. They were a temporary fix while better options were developed. The most promising solutions are natural refrigerants like ammonia, carbon dioxide, and hydrocarbons. These substances have little to no ozone depletion potential and much lower global warming potential. They are safer for the environment and often more energy efficient. From a thermodynamics point of view, refrigerants work by absorbing heat from a cold space and releasing it outside. The choice of refrigerant affects how well the cycle works and how much energy it uses. Eco-friendly refrigerants are selected not only for their chemical safety but also for their ability to transfer heat effectively. Switching to these new refrigerants meant redesigning many cooling systems. Some natural refrigerants can be flammable or operate at higher pressures, so engineers had to make equipment safer and more reliable. Regulations now requiring proper handling and disposal to prevent leaks and environmental harm. In summary, eco-friendly refrigerants replaced CFCs through international rules that banned harmful chemicals, the development of alternatives that do not damage the ozone layer, and the adoption of natural substances with lower environmental impacts. This change keeps our cooling systems working efficiently while protecting our atmosphere and climate.